How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I am at Kennywood because today is the opening day for the all-new Spinvasion. I know there was a season pass preview days last week, couldn't make that, but I am here on the opening day, so hopefully I can get on that new ride. And I haven't been here since opening day, so I'm going to go around and check on any updates around the park. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Alright, just got off of Spinvasion. First, a couple observations. The queue line was almost full and we waited an hour. However, the operations were not exactly the best. We also had an incident of line jumpers. That took a while as well. The ride's still being a little temperamental at the moment, but it's fairly new, so I guess that's to be expected. So, getting onto the ride, I thought it was okay. I didn't love it. I wasn't over the moon or ecstatic or have really super strong opinions about it at all. It spins pretty fast. You get a little bit of G-force going around, but as you are swinging around, you don't really feel the forces all that much, just like the slightest bit. It's definitely more of a visual ride. It actually looks more visually appealing off-ride than when you are on-ride. On-ride, you're just spinning really fast in a circle and there's not much more to it. Be warned though that the seat is a bit tight, so if you have thick thighs, just be aware of that. Luckily there is a test seat. One thing that Zamperla and Kennywood advertised was that it was going to have the alternate waves, which it is, like the old swing around, but they also advertised these wavelengths, and it's not doing that currently. And at the moment, from what I understand, it's not going to do that. It's just doing alternating mode, like the swing around. But it definitely had a decent crowd. There's a little bit of energy right now in the new area 412. There's a DJ going on. That's why I'm actually far away from the ride, because of copyright. If you want to call it a theme area, it's just mild aesthetics. In fact, it looks a little cheesy and over the top in some areas. Although I do like the backdrop behind Spinvasion, that's decent. Cosmic Chaos has this new paint scheme on it as well. That looks pretty good in my opinion too. But overall, I think Spinvasion is okay. Maybe it would be better on a second ride. I would not wait as long as I did. I waited a little over an hour for that. So overall, mild impressions about Spinvasion. Don't love it, don't hate it either, but we'll see how it goes. It might grow on me. What do you think of Spinvasion, Brett?
Honestly, I'm surprised it didn't make me sick because I have issues with rides that spin a lot, but unfortunately also didn't do much for me either. The only real sensation you get is all the blood basically getting sucked down to your feet for 2 minutes, and you really don't notice the action from side to side that much just because of the overwhelming positive G-forces to your lower extremities. So really not sickening, but also not terribly exciting. I don't think it's going to be a highlight of our visits to the park anytime soon.
Brand new Spinvasion in Area 412 merchandise here at the gift shop. Earlier in the season, Steel Curtain was not open, but as you can see, it is up and running. Although it is only running one train at the moment.
Black Widow opened what, 2 weekends ago?
Yeah. I'll tell you about my...
Just had my first meal at the Refresh Pizza Warehouse. I got chicken wings and fries. Surprisingly, they were actually pretty good. The fries are not patch fries, but they are seasoned deep fried French fries. And it was pretty good, I thought. I would actually get it again. And then my friend, he got a cheese pizza, and he said it was also pretty good too. It's much better than the food that used to be in here. Take a look at this. The Raging Rapids is testing right now. And I have a feeling this is going to be opening to the public very soon. They have an automatic aligner so that the team members don't have to touch the boats anymore to line them up. The Kennyville stage now has an all-concrete platform, a new curtain, and a bunch of polka dots. Over here in Lost Kennywood, it looks like the all-new Primanti Bros is almost ready to go. The facade looks complete, and honestly, it looks really nice in person. And they're doing training inside right now, which is nice. So hopefully this opens up very soon. In front of where the Midway games used to be here in Lost Kennywood, they moved all the signs from the 125th celebration that happened at the beginning of the season, and along with it, a log jammer car.
Let's go, let's start the ride.
How's your ride, Garrett?
It's disappointing, there's no water. They could put it maybe slightly over that way, by the way.
Hurry up!
So on most of the major attractions throughout the park, they have installed these new electronic queue times. None of them are working at the moment, but if they do, it will be a very handy feature, especially on those busy days. Black Widow did open not too long after opening day, but as of right now, it is once again closed.
I was here last week. I did get to get on Black Widow. Sat down in the seat. They put the harnesses down, buckled it up. Next thing you know, height check, seat 22. Undo the seat belt, bars up. And just repeat that 25 more times, and you got a 15-minute Black Widow experience, which ended up with me not riding.
I really like here by the Ski Ball by Ghostwood Estate is that they have blueprints for the original Ski Ball machine. It's a nice touch. Just had a ride on the classic auto race, the last ride of its type, and while it's not as fast as it used to be, this is still a Kennywood staple in my opinion. I really enjoyed my scenic cruise going around Kittyland and near Thomastown. It's a very nice ride. Air 360 is still closed, and according to the sign and from what I heard, this may be closed for a while. It may not even open this year, so don't quote me on that. Hopefully this does open this year, but not looking promising.
Since we can't do the thing at the Redacted Gallery anymore.
Here, pick up a trailer.
Okay, hold on, let me get yours. Coming through. Wide load, coming through, watch out. I wonder if she is.
Like the new and improved extra bright black lights?
Oh yes.
Yeah, the old mill is a lot brighter in here right now.
She'll really make you hoot and holler. The old most motorhome.
I very much like the light package here on Spinvasion. that's going to do it from an evening here at Kennywood. Really enjoyed myself here today. We actually ended the night on the last ride of the night on the merry-go-round, a very pretty way to end out the evening. It was good to get on Spinvasion. Wasn't exactly the biggest fan on ride, but it definitely is a spectator ride, and the light package at night, it really looks spectacular. I love Kennywood here at night. It has such a great energy. It closed at 9 o'clock tonight, and I know later this summer they're going to be closing later, like 10 o'clock close. I think there's even a couple 11 o'clock close. I'm going to try to get out there for that because I love being here at Kennywood at night. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.